This is Bruce Krosky Real Estate, and we are here at 3521 Fairview, Unit B. This is a nice 2-bedroom apartment, new flooring, freshly painted. Let's go ahead and take a walk through here. You get lots of storage, lots of cabinet space. Unit comes with a refrigerator, electric cooktop, lots of natural lighting into the kitchen. We then have an eating area. Again, lots of natural lighting. This, you could easily fit 48-inch, 52-inch, 65-inch TV in this room. It is cable ready. We got luxury vinyl plank flooring, so it's easy to maintain. We do have central air and central heat. Here's the bathroom. It is a tub shower combo. Very light, open. Here is bedroom 1. Again, natural lighting, vinyl plank flooring. Good sized closet. Bedroom 2. Each unit does come with a covered carport parking space. You are in close proximity to Highway 4. This is a downstairs unit, so there's not a lot of stairs to go through. There's the outside. This is 3521 Fairview, Unit B here in Antioch, California. If you're interested in this unit, go to www.imustrent.com.